Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the hip flexor stretch. What you want to do, you want to be close to a chair or table or bed to support yourself when you're doing this stretch. Okay? So let's say I wanted to stretch the hip flexor on the right side. What I will do, I will put the left leg in front, split the legs like this, come down on the knee like this, bring the left leg forward, hold the chair for support, and I will drive forward like this. So I feel a stretch in there. If you're not getting the stretch, you can put the leg a bit more forward. Really get into that stretch. Go down as you get better. Make sure you feel stable, because if you feel wobbly, you're not going to actually release the muscle. The muscle will contract in order to protect you. Go down. No bouncing. There's no bouncing in this movement. When you're done, push back with this leg and slide back. Then you do for the opposite leg as well. Okay, I'll demonstrate. Stretching the left side now. Go down, put the leg forward, drive forward, getting a good stretch in there. No bouncing. When I'm done, back. Great.